Okay, number 1, yeah. Number 2 is asking, what is the smallest angle of rotational symmetry for a square? So, smallest angle of rotational symmetry for a square. And then it's asking, and then we have kind of, what we're doing here is they have like a diagram here. So I'm going to redraw this diagram. And this diagram is actually really, really good because it shows us, again, the 4 sides of a square. So A, B, C, and D. And then they want to change this into, they want to rotate this square into D, A, B, C. So they want to rotate this basically 1 step clockwise. So you can think of it as rotating kind of clockwise, and it's going to switch places to become kind of this guy here. So D becomes this top right corner, A becomes this top right hand corner, B is bottom left, and C here would be bottom left here. So what is the smallest angle of rotational symmetry for a square? In this case, what we need to do is we have to rotate it by 90 degrees, right? So this guy has to go, A has to go to this one here, and D has to move up, right? So again, if I'm moving up by 1, I'm shifting it kind of 90 degrees towards base 90 degrees clockwise here. So this would be, I'm rotating it by 90 degrees clockwise here. So if you think about it in terms of an XY plane here, I have to rotate it again 90 degrees. If I have a square here, I'm gonna have to rotate it again 1 step this way in order for us to get this kind of square here. So the smallest angle is indeed 90 degrees here. So this solution here is correct. Correct. Good explanation.